So now TD2 again, like yet another nose repair after last time. It was just on one side, but it was enough to cock the blooming motor mount to a significant angle, and I wouldn't have been able to fly it like that, so I've had to repair that side again. It is nearing end of days, I think, to be fair, and well, everyone's a winner until it's not. Don't you think? I do like these, and I am certainly considering building a bigger one. Actually, this one the other one I've got is bigger, and I bought this one. I built this one because I thought it might be a bit more sporty, and yes, it is, but it's also a bit more temperamental. But it does look nice, and it does fly nice, and I seem to have got the nose repair sorted and got the thrust angle right again, because you have to go through that every time, so it's a bit of a judgment call. Little bit of down and just a tad you're right. Obviously it's dependent on the motor prop combo, direction prop combo, but yeah, and you know, just look, it's so nice, it's so responsive, it's a great little aeroplane. I certainly would recommend one of these to anybody. I had to put a bamboo skewer through the thickness of the wing laterally to correct some damage, but you know, Depron's pretty forgiving, and I did hot glue it, but it was still pretty. Once it's damaged, it has a bit of a tendency to want to not warp, but to bend. Let's say crease would be a better word. But sticking a bamboo skewer in seems to have sorted that. Oh, what fun we had. I just love it when it's like this. Oh, you know, it's definitely the start of winter here in the UK. We've had a few sharp days, cold, bit of frost, early morning mist, you know, all the sort of stuff that we get in the UK. Down south anyway, obviously it's a whole different ball game if you go north of London. It all starts to get a bit nasty as you go further up the country, and you know, places like Scotland often suffer quite badly, Northern Ireland and Wales, surprisingly, but not where I live. Where I live, it's lovely most of the time. And when we do get half an inch of snow, it's chaos. And last year, it was bad. It was so bad that I actually bought this. We bought ourselves a 4x4 again this year. We had one previously. In fact, we've had a few 4x4s in our time. It's starting to get a bit older. But my good lady, now I found this flying field, was so concerned if I'd get in here and wouldn't get out again, we'd be able to get home. And especially because she's disabled. What a Suzuki Vitara, just the ordinary one. It's just brilliant motor car, just brilliant. Tiny bit underpowered, the 1600 version. Could have had the 1400 booster jet, but it's a bit too much money and had stuff we didn't really need. You get older, you don't want the sporty stuff particularly. It's got a sport motor, I'm quite happy with that, and drives lovely, so comfy. But this is not an advert for Suzuki. This is an advert for the TD2, which also does all of those things. And it's good in every weather, pretty much. And not so good in rain. Snow, yep. Cold, yep. In fact, better in the cold because the batteries don't need the heat. Not quite so much anyway. I really do seem to have nailed it. About the best it's been. I have pretty much come to the decision that I won't repair it again. It depends, but it's a minor repair I might. I think nearly knocked the guts out of this motor twice because it's The grub screw is loose on the shaft, and though it would be great for a pusher because it wouldn't really matter. For a tractor, I can't tighten it up. I have tried. It's you know, Chinese factory. Obviously, the tooling's not great, and I got some pretty good hobby tools. I just can't manipulate it. Soft metal. Look at that. Well, I might put that battery on charge again whilst we're here. I brought my field charger and have another go at that. Just see what the weather and the time does. Certainly perfect conditions today. Oh, and I checked the temperature. It's +3. Yeah, it's obviously a bit of wind chill in the wind, so it's probably lower than that. But with the sun on me, I'm pretty happy. Fingers are a bit cold. Probably won't die. It's been my whole life dealing with adverse weather. So. Yeah. Well, call it an arrival then. Hello, 3 seconds on the clock. Almost perfect. Don't we love you? Yes, we do.